Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change language on Prime Video. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change the language of Prime Video. Maybe because you want to change the language because you speak another language and you want the app into that language. Or maybe you're creating an account for somebody who doesn't understand English, so you want them to be able to understand the app in their own English. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the language of Prime Video app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first, what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you have already installed the Prime Video from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Prime Video to open this app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of videos available on the screen. You can watch them. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom of the page and at the top of the page. So from all these movies and options, we have to click on this option. This is the profile icon, which is on the top right side of the screen. Just simply click on it, and then this interface will get to you. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on this settings icon. As you can see, this one, just simply tap on it, and then we will get into the settings. First you will read the title of settings, and you will find bunch of options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options, you just have to scroll down, and there you will see this option which says language. Right now the language is selected as English, but if you want to change it, you may click on it, and then you will get other options. So there is a number of limited languages available. There are not unlimited languages, or you could say the languages of the world available. There is a limited number of languages available, so you have to select within it. For example, if you want to select French, so you can click on French, or maybe if you want to select any other language, you can do that. Make sure you select only those languages that you understand, because if the settings gets changed into another language, so you will be not able to find the language into this app, because the language of the app will be different. So here I'm going to click on French. Likewise, you can choose any other language. So it is asking again, just simply click on yes. And now as you can see, the language has been changed from English to French. As you can see, the text is different. So if you want to again change it, you just have to simply go to your profile, then you have to go to the settings, and you have to just scroll down, and there you will see this language option. Click on it, and then you have to again click on language, and then it will just change it into English. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the language of Prime Video. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.